The polar ice caps, vast white expanses covering the top and bottom of our world. Yet, despite these harsh conditions, life persists. Venturing beneath the ice, we enter a world unlike any other. Creatures adapted to survive in conditions that would kill most other organisms on Earth. Their existence challenges our understanding of life itself, revealing the extraordinary resilience of nature. The waters beneath the ice teem with life. Microscopic algae thrive in these frigid waters, fueling a cascade of life. Krill, small crustaceans, form vast swarms, painting the water in vibrant hues. Bioluminescent creatures capture the imagination. Jellyfish create a mesmerizing ballet of light in the darkness. Sea stars and sea urchins graze on the seabed, maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Each creature plays a vital role in this unique ecosystem. The seafloor is home to a dazzling array of life. On the seabed, giant sea spiders crawl, defying our understanding of life. These marine arthropods have long, spindly legs, giving them an alien appearance. They rely on a unique system to distribute oxygen throughout their bodies. Sea spiders are opportunistic feeders, preying on soft-bodied invertebrates. Their slow, deliberate movements and ghostly pale bodies make them a captivating sight. They play a vital role in nutrient recycling in this ecosystem.
The polar abyss is a complex web of life. From the smallest algae to the largest predators, every creature plays a vital role. Energy flows from one organism to another, fueling life in this seemingly barren world. Microscopic algae convert sunlight into energy, forming the foundation of the food web. They are the primary source of sustenance for a vast array of creatures.
The algae in the polar abyss are a diverse group, each adapted to survive in this extreme environment. Some cling to the underside of the ice, forming a thin green film. These microscopic plants are incredibly efficient at capturing sunlight. During the polar spring and summer, they reproduce rapidly, fueling the entire ecosystem. As winter approaches, the algae retreat into a dormant state. Their life cycle is intricately linked to the rhythms of the polar seasons.
The abundance of algae supports a diverse community of herbivores. Krill, small crustaceans, form vast swarms, providing sustenance for larger predators. Other herbivores include copepods and pteropods, forming the base of the food pyramid. Fish, such as icefish, prey on the krill and other smaller creatures. Seals, penguins and seabirds dive from the surface, pursuing their prey. Even giant sea spiders play a role in this delicate dance.
The polar ecosystem is a delicate balance maintained over millions of years. Each species plays a vital role in this intricate web of life. Climate change poses a significant threat to this unique environment. As the ice recedes, the algae that form the base of the food web are impacted. Pollution can accumulate in the polar ecosystem, threatening marine life. The fate of this ecosystem is linked to our actions.
The icy realm of the polar abyss presents a unique challenge, the relentless cold. Yet life persists, thriving in this frigid environment. These creatures have evolved to withstand the cold, their life processes fine-tuned to operate in slow motion. Metabolic rates slow down dramatically, requiring less food and oxygen. Many species have longer lifespans and reproduce less frequently. Their slow growth and reproduction rates are a testament to their adaptation.
Surviving in sub-freezing temperatures requires remarkable adaptations. Icefish produce antifreeze compounds in their blood and tissues. Their blood lacks red blood cells, absorbing oxygen directly from the water. Special proteins prevent ice crystals from forming and damaging their cells. This adaptation allows icefish to thrive in freezing waters. Their unique adaptations are essential for survival.
The polar abyss is a realm of perpetual twilight. Creatures have evolved sensitive eyes to detect the faintest glimmer of light. Some, like the colossal squid, possess the largest eyes in the animal kingdom. Others have tubular eyes, providing a wide field of view. Many creatures produce their own light, a phenomenon known as bioluminescence. This ability serves various purposes, from attracting mates to luring prey.
The polar abyss is a testament to the resilience of life. Their remarkable adaptations highlight the power of natural selection. The ability to conserve energy, withstand freezing temperatures, and find food in the dark is crucial for survival. The polar abyss is a world under threat. The ice that defines this realm is receding at an alarming rate. Climate change is now a stark reality at the poles. Temperatures are rising faster here than anywhere else on Earth. This melting ice has far-reaching consequences for the entire planet. The loss of ice reduces the planet's ability to reflect sunlight, accelerating warming. The creatures of the polar abyss are on the front lines of climate change. Their fate is a harbinger of what may come for other ecosystems. The melting ice impacts the algae that form the base of the food web. Changes in water temperature and salinity stress these organisms. For creatures like the icefish, their survival depends on the cold, stable environment. As water temperatures rise, their ability to absorb oxygen is compromised. The fate of the polar abyss, and indeed the planet, lies in our hands. This vast, icy expanse, teeming with life, is more than just a remote wilderness. It is a critical component of Earth's climate system, regulating temperatures and supporting a unique array of species. The choices we make today will determine the legacy we leave for future generations. These children, gazing at the holographic projections, represent the future stewards of our planet. They will inherit the consequences of our actions, whether good or bad. Will it be one of a world ravaged by climate change, where the polar ice caps are a distant memory, and the creatures that once thrived there are gone forever? Imagine a world where polar bears, seals, and countless other species are mere stories told to future generations, their habitats destroyed by our inaction. Or will it be one where we have recognized the urgency of the crisis and taken action to protect these fragile ecosystems? Scientists and activists are already working tirelessly, conducting research and advocating for policies that can make a difference. Their efforts are a beacon of hope in these challenging times. We have the knowledge, the tools, and the resources to address climate change. Renewable energy sources like solar panels and wind turbines are not just technological marvels, they are lifelines for our planet, offering sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels. Shifting to renewable energy sources, reducing our carbon footprint, and protecting existing ecosystems are all essential steps in the right direction. Conservationists are on the front lines, working to preserve the delicate balance of these ecosystems, ensuring that they can continue to thrive. But perhaps most important of all is a change in mindset, a recognition that we are not separate from nature, but a part of it. This shift in perspective is crucial. It means understanding that every action we take has a ripple effect on the environment, and that we have a responsibility to act as caretakers of the Earth. The polar abyss, though hidden beneath a veil of ice and distance, is a stark reminder of our interconnectedness with the natural world. Its vast, frozen landscapes are a testament to the beauty and fragility of our planet, urging us to take action before it's too late. The fate of these creatures, and indeed our own, depends on the choices we make today. Researchers studying the impact of climate change on Arctic wildlife provide us with invaluable data, highlighting the urgent need for immediate action. Let us choose wisely, for the sake of the polar abyss, for the planet, and for generations to come. The time to act is now, and the responsibility lies with each and every one of us. Together, we can create a future where the polar regions are preserved, and the legacy we leave is one of hope and resilience.
The polar abyss, a world sculpted by ice and shrouded in darkness, stands as a testament to the enduring power of life. Here, in the coldest and most remote corners of our planet, life finds a way to thrive against all odds. It is a realm of stark beauty, of creatures exquisitely adapted to survive in conditions that seem to defy the very limits of existence. From the tiniest plankton to the majestic polar bears, each organism plays a crucial role in this delicate web of life. Their story, whispered on currents of frigid water, is one of resilience, of adaptation, of an intricate dance between life and an unforgiving environment. These creatures have evolved over millennia to withstand the extreme cold, the crushing pressure, and the perpetual darkness. As we venture deeper into this hidden world, we are constantly reminded of how much we have yet to learn. The polar abyss is a treasure trove of scientific discovery, offering insights into the origins of life and the limits of biological endurance. Every dive beneath the ice, every encounter with these extraordinary creatures, reveals new wonders, new adaptations, new mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Scientists and explorers are continually amazed by the ingenuity of life forms that call this harsh environment home. The polar abyss is a frontier of exploration, a living laboratory that challenges our understanding of life itself. It is a place where the boundaries of science are pushed, where every discovery has the potential to reshape our knowledge of the natural world. But it is also a realm of profound fragility. The balance of life here is delicate, and the slightest change can have cascading effects throughout the ecosystem. The ice that defines this world, that has for millennia sculpted its ecosystems and cradled its inhabitants, is now under threat. The warming of our planet, driven by human activities, is causing the ice to melt at an alarming rate, jeopardizing the delicate balance of life in this extraordinary ecosystem. The impact of climate change is profound and far-reaching. As the ice melts, it not only threatens the species that depend on it, but also has global implications, affecting sea levels and weather patterns worldwide. The polar abyss, once a symbol of resilience, now stands as a stark reminder of the fragility of our planet.
The fate of the polar abyss, and indeed the planet, lies in our hands. This vast, icy expanse is more than just a remote wilderness. It is a critical component of Earth's climate system, a barometer of our planet's health. We have a responsibility to protect this extraordinary realm, not just for the sake of the creatures that call it home, but for ourselves and for generations to come. The polar regions are home to a unique array of wildlife, from majestic polar bears to resilient penguins, each playing a vital role in the ecosystem. The choices we make today will determine the legacy we leave behind. Our actions, whether they be conservation efforts or harmful practices, will echo through time, shaping the world our descendants inherit. We can choose to ignore the warnings, to continue down a path of unsustainable practices that threaten the delicate balance of our planet. Overfishing, pollution, and unchecked industrial activities are just a few of the threats that loom over these fragile environments. Or we can choose to act, to embrace a future where we live in harmony with nature, where the polar ice caps remain a testament to the enduring power of life on Earth. By adopting sustainable practices and reducing our carbon footprint, we can help preserve these icy realms. Let us be the guardians of the abyss, the protectors of this last frontier. It is our duty to safeguard these pristine landscapes, ensuring that they remain untouched and vibrant for future generations. Let us work together to address the challenges of climate change, to reduce our impact on the planet, and to ensure that the wonders of the polar abyss continue to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come. Collaboration is key. Scientists, policymakers, and individuals must unite in this common cause. The time to act is now. While there is still time to make a difference, every small action counts, from reducing plastic use to supporting conservation initiatives. Together, we can turn the tide and protect the guardians of the abyss. If you enjoyed this journey into the polar abyss and want to stay updated on our latest explorations and conservation efforts, please subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you these important stories.